Hi, this is Robbie from Q Control Tuition, and this is the second explainer video on algebra. This is again collecting like terms, very similar to the one we did before, but just a tiny bit more complex. Now, before I sort of like explained to you that the letters, for example, an A and an A, can only be collected to each other. Okay, and therefore a B and a B can only be collected two together. And the most important things when you're collecting like terms is to look at the symbol beforehand. So this should be reasonably simple based on the last video. If you did not see the last video explaining the basics, please click on the link below and to find out how to do it. So we're going to start off with doing the A's. So here we've got 7A and 6A. Now the most important symbol here is the plus. Okay, you always look at the symbol before the term that you're about to add. So 7 plus 6a, so that one is, let me just do it here, is 13a. And then you've got your b, 10b, and minus 3b. So 10 take away 3 is 7. Now, because 7 is still a positive number and we haven't gone into any minuses yet, you're still going to put a plus. So 10 take away 3b is 7b. Okay, now for the next one. So even though the symbols change, the letters change, it doesn't matter, it's still the same concept. So here is 10c and 6c. We have a plus here. So 10 plus 6 is 16c. And then we have 9v. Again, look at the symbol before. Take away 7v. 9 take away 7 is 2. And again, because it's a positive value still, you do plus 2v. Okay, next one. 8s plus 13s. Again, so both these symbols are the same. So 13 plus 8 is 21s. And then you've got your 4r and your 6r. This has gone back to a positive. So then we just have a positive 10r. Okay, next one. We have 4d. Now, this is where it starts getting a little bit more complex. We have 4 take away 5. Now, as you know, 4 take away 5 is impossible because you started off with 4 and then you're actually taking away 5. So this is where we're going to end up in the minuses. Okay, so if I get my D's together, so I've got 4 take away 5. Now, if I do this on number line, okay, so let's have, this is going to be 4 here. So it's going to be 4 take away 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. So now we're going into minuses. So therefore, your 4 take away 5d would actually end up being minus. Now, we're not going to say 1d because a d on its own means 1. So therefore, you're just going to have minus d. And then here, you got 6e plus 4e is positive 10e. Okay, now for the next one. We've got, let's see what we got here. We've got 13f plus 3f. That's nice and straightforward. That is 16f. And you've got positive 7 plus positive 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's positive 11. What have we got? That's a G. Okay. All right, next one. So let's see. Make sure on this one you don't get your P's and your Q's mixed up. So we've got 9p plus 12p. Okay, that is 21p. Now, again, got to be a bit more careful here. We've got minus 13. Let's do that as a box so we don't get the two confused. And then you've got plus 19q. So this is where we're going to start off with minus 13. And then we're going to add 19 onto it. So basically it's almost like saying 19 take away 13. So 9 take away 3 is 6. 1 take away 1 is 0. And that's going to end up, because we've started off with a negative number, negative 13, and we're adding on 19. I'm not going to do the whole lot. This means we're going to end up with a positive 6. Okay, if you find that quite a difficult concept, actually draw a whole number line out, start with minus 13, and then do 19 jumps, labeling it all the way, just in case if you get a bit confused. Okay, so because that 6 is now in the positives, that will be positive 6g. Okay, last two. 2b plus 4b is 6b. Nice and straightforward. Now you got 9c take away 6c. Now because 9 take away 6, you're still left with a positive number, which is positive 3. Just do 6b plus 3c. Okay, last one. There's no minuses in here, so it should be pretty straightforward. So here we got 5k plus 4k equals 9k. And then we got 14m plus 12m equals positive 26m. And there you go. That is the end of the basic algebra. Okay, so these are going to be all the free ones that I've offered. If you would like to do the next step, which would be collecting like terms 3, but you'd end up having slightly more awkward ones, such as, for example, 3b squared plus 4b plus 9b plus 7. The concept's basically the same, but if you'd like to do anything on the next level of collecting like terms in algebra, let me know and I can offer a paid video, which again is only £5, but I can sort of do, and they're normally up to about 15-minute videos, but I can go through these sort of concepts and literally go through step by step and get more and more complex with each video. Okay, thanks very much for watching.